Alright, this is another property that I have permission to detect at. I don't know a whole lot of history about the place other than it's an older house. I do know that somewhere near that shed was an old stables, I guess, stockyard for the county. So we'll see what we find here. My first somewhat decent signal right in here. I was getting it. There we go. A little bouncy, I'm not sure. Kind of concerned about it. I got a water meter right there. Another one in the ditch here. Might just be hitting on a pipe or something. We'll see. It was in that first hole. It is right inside this clump here. So let's dig it apart a little bit. See what we found. See a thing. Is that it? That's weird. Is it a bullet maybe? Oh. It may just be an old fired round or something. It's a little too crusty to tell. Getting another good signal right in there. Should be a quarter. At least that's what it's telling me, but we'll see. That wind is getting cold. I have to go put a coat on. Got another signal here. I'm almost afraid to dig it, as it's probably going to be another piece of aluminum, but you know, when it rings up in that silver range, you gotta dig it. Whatever it is, it's about right in there. So let me dig it out so we'll find out what it is. I just flipped it out of the hole. Still don't know what it is. It's a large coin of some kind, and it's just a Kennedy $50, but it's still a 50-cent piece. 1974. I'll take it. Better than aluminum. That was my wife. Alright, whatever it is, it's right in this general area right here. Let's find that thing. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. And it is a stinking Lincoln. Another penny signal. Yeah, you're finding a lot of these. Well, I told you this was once a stockyard for the county. I'm not sure if this piece of horse tack or just what it is. It's just trash. Trash.